In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom subdomain in Netlify. We'll walk through the full process inside Netlify and then finish by pointing your subdomain from your domain registrar to your Netlify site. This is a straightforward setup, and once it's done, your subdomain will direct visitors to the correct project. First, log into your Netlify account. After you're signed in, go to the specific site you want to connect to your custom subdomain. It's important to open the correct site dashboard, especially if you manage multiple projects, because the domain settings are handled individually for each one. Once you're inside the site dashboard, click on Project Configuration. This is where Netlify stores the main settings for your site, including build options, environment settings, and domain controls. From there, select Domain Management to open the section where custom domains and subdomains are added and managed. In the Domain Management area, click Add a Domain. Netlify will prompt you to enter the domain you want to use. Here, type the full target subdomain exactly as you want it to appear, then click Verify. Make sure you enter the entire subdomain, not just the root domain. For example, this would be something like a specific prefix followed by your main domain. After verification, confirm the action by clicking Add Domain. You may see warnings or suggestions asking you to activate Netlify DNS. For this process, you can ignore those prompts if your DNS is being managed by your registrar or another provider. The key goal here is simply to add the subdomain to the site in Netlify. Next, copy your Netlify app URL. This is the default Netlify address assigned to your site, and you'll use it as the destination for your DNS record. Keep it handy because the next part happens outside Netlify. Now go to your domain registrar or wherever your DNS records are managed. Create or update a CNAME record for the subdomain you just added. The host or name field should be the subdomain portion, and the target or value field should be your Netlify app URL. Be careful to paste the Netlify address accurately, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. After saving the CNAME record, give DNS some time to propagate. In some cases, it updates quickly, but it can also take a little longer depending on your provider. Once propagation is complete, your custom subdomain should begin pointing to your Netlify site correctly, and that's how to add a custom subdomain in Netlify.